Hello guys, as you can see, I'm in the members area of Warlord Secrets. So it's a brand new software launched by Philip Johnson and Dan Khan. So now you are thinking what this software does. So guys, with this software you can drive free huge traffic to your offers and make more sales and generate more revenue. So guys, the vendor of this software, which is Philip Johnson and Dan Khan, they both are so confident that you can also make $348 per day with the help of this software, which is Warlord Secrets. So if you are interested in make money online or want to know more about this software, then stick with me and watch this full review video till the end, because today I am also giving my 4 premium bonuses for free of cost to you guys. So first I want to show you my bonuses, then we come back to the members area of Warlord Secrets and know what kind of features you are getting in this software and how you can also make money with the help of this software. So guys, when you click the link which is in the description, you bring through here on my bonus page guys. As you can see, my insane bonus bundle of Warlord Secrets. So guys, when you scroll down, you can see guys that with this software you can drive 330 million buyers to your offers. So guys, this makes a huge traffic for your offers and you can make a ton of money with this software guys. So guys, when you scroll down, you can see there is a clock guys. So first I want to share with you one thing guys, that if you are going to buy this software with my link guys, which is in the description, then you have to buy this software as fast as you can, because as I told you that today I am giving my 4 premium bonuses for free of cost to you guys. So when this clock hits 0, then my first 2 premium bonuses will disappear guys and you will get the remaining 2 bonuses. So now it's time to know about the product guys. So when you scroll down guys, here you can see the image of this Warlord Secrets and the description. So guys, you can read this description to your own and know what this software does or how you can also make money with this software guys. So when you scroll down more guys, you can also see the prices and upsells, but we talk later about the prices guys, because I'm going to show you some key benefits of this software and I'm going to explain you these all key benefits of this Warlord Secrets guys. So the first key benefit is guys 100% beginner friendly. So guys, if you are totally beginner in this digital marketing or in affiliate marketing, then you can also make money with this Warlord Secrets, because it's a totally beginner, because it's also work for totally beginner peoples guys. And the another key benefit is guys, which is get buyer traffic to any link. So guys, if you are promoting Warrior Plus products, ZVJU products, ClickBank products, or any kind of products or any platform products guys, you can drive huge traffic to your offers guys and generate more sales guys. And the another one is guys all-in-one solution. So guys, when you buy this software, you do not need to buy any other kind of stuff guys or any kind of software. This is all-in-one software guys. And the another one is guys no website, email list or funnels needed. So guys, to run this software you do not need your own website, you do not need your own email list or subscriber list, and you do not have to design a funnels. If you are totally beginner, you do not know about these all things, you can also work with this software and make money guys. And the another one is guys no further investments guys. So guys, when you buy this software, you do not need to buy any other software or any other kind of stuff guys. And the another one is guys no learning curve, just copy and paste. So guys, in this Warlord Secrets, you do not need to you do not need to discover any another things. you have to just copy and make paste to make money, guys. And the last one is, guys, which is 30 days money back guarantee. So guys, if you are thinking that this software is not working for you, then you can also refund this software and get your money back within 30 days. But I want to tell you one thing, that the vendor is so confident, guys, that this software is going to help you a lot, and you can also make money with this software, guys, because lots of students are making tons of money with this software, guys. So these all are the key benefits of this software. I think now you can understand about this software and how you can also make money with with this software, guys. So now when you scroll down more, guys, here you can see the demo video of this Warlord Secrets. So you can also watch this demo video, guys. So now it's time to know about my bonuses, guys. So when you scroll down, guys, you can see my first bonus. So my first bonus is, guys, $100 per day with free traffic, and its value is, guys, $749. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can make your first $100 with free traffic with your phone, guys, or with your laptop. So it's a very good bonus, guys, if you are interested, or if you are if you are beginner and want to make your first sale, guys. This bonus is going to help you a lot, guys. And the second bonus is, which is, guys, CPA Income Crusher, and its value is, guys, $647. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can also earn money with CPA offers and what platforms provide CPA offers. Also you are going to learn in this bonus, guys. And the third bonus is, guys, which is 10x commission, and its value is $697. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can scale your business and also scale 10x your commission. As we know that with this warrior secrets you are going to make sales for and commission, and with this bonus you are going to learn how you can increase that commission and also 10x your commission, guys. So this is a very precious and valuable bonus, guys. And the another bonus is, guys, which is Instagram made simple, and its value is, guys, $497. So guys, as we know that in today's digital world, Instagram is the one of the most popular social media platform. So in this bonus you are also going to learn how you can also use Instagram for your offers and to make sales and also to make money, guys. So the another bonus is, guys, which is a special bonus, and its value is, guys, $6,997, and this bonus was provided you by the vendor, guys. I'm also show you the vendors bonuses, guys. So here are the vendors bonuses, guys. The first bonus was direct access to the blog Backdoor Master, and the second bonus is, guys, free training on how we made $43,000 in 7 days, and the third bonus is, guys, free high ticket training worth $1,997, and the fourth bonus is, guys, unfair advantage in business and life custom training, and the fifth bonus is, guys, instant approval to promote Warlord Secrets. So guys, these 5 bonuses and also my 4 premium bonuses today you are getting for free, these all bonuses, guys. But I want to share with you one thing, guys, that these my all 4 premium bonuses you will get when you will buy this software with my link only, and these all premium bonuses are so premium quality content, guys. So if you are interested in make money online, then this bonus will going to help you a lot, guys. So if you are going to buy this software, then you have to click the link which is in the description, and when you come here on my bonus page, you can see there are lots of these yellow buttons, and you have to click one of these yellow buttons, guys. So when you click one of these yellow buttons, you can see, guys, if you buy this software with my link, then you will also get 30% discount, guys. And when you come here, you have to click this button, guys. So when you click this button, you have to pay the price of this software, and the software is yours, guys. Now you are thinking how you will get the bonuses, guys. So guys, you will get the vendors bonuses in the members area, and for my bonuses you have to come to your Warrior Plus account, and when you come to your Warrior Plus account, you have to go to your purchase history and search for the Warlord Secret. So when you click on Warlord Secrets, the interface looks like that, and here you can see there is a blue button which is Access Affiliate Bonus. So when you click this button, you can get access all of my premium bonuses for free of cost, guys. So, and one more thing I want to remember you guys, that buy as fast as you can, because when this clock hits 0, then my first 2 premium bonuses will disappear, guys, and you will get the remains 2 bonuses. Okay, guys. So now it's time to know about the prices. So the front end price of this Warlord Secrets is, guys, $12.95, and OTO 1, which is pro version, its price is, guys, $27, and down sale is $17, and OTO 2, which is done for you, its price is, guys, $37, and down sale is $27, and OTO 3, which is unlimited traffic, its price is, guys, $97, and down sale is $67, and OTO 4, which is, guys, Traffic Mastery, its price is $67, and down sale is $37, guys. And the last one is OTO 5, which is Resell Rights, its price is, guys, $97, and down sale is $47. So guys, now it's time to go to the members area of Warlord Secrets and know what kind of features you are getting in this software and how you can make money with this software, guys. So guys, when you come to the members area, the first section you can see, here you can see the vendors welcome video, which is Philip Johnson and Dan Khan. And in the another section, guys, you can see how they make $43,000 in 7 days. And in another section, you can see the case studies and overview. And in the another section, main training, you can see the all identifying buyer questions, navigating your search, ninja keyword techniques, additional keyword hacks, content generation, staying sale on Quora, monetization, 3x your traffic. And the another section is, guys, automation software, automate Quora. And the another section was, guys, upgrades for pro version done for you, unlimited traffic mastery, and resell rights. And the another section was, guys, bonuses. And in this bonus you are getting make $500 from simple YouTube videos. So guys, these all things you are getting in this Warlord Secrets. So guys, overall I want to tell you that in this Warlord Secrets, you are going to learn how you can drive free traffic from Quora, and also how you can promote your offers on Quora and make more sales and make more money, guys. So if you are interested in this software Warlord Secrets, then don't forget about my link, guys, which is in the description, and also don't forget about my premium bonuses, guys, because these bonuses are also have very premium quality, and these bonuses also going to help you in make money online a lot, guys. So I think I told you everything about this software, Warlord Secrets. So if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up, guys, and also subscribe to my channel and comment down below that you like this video or not, and share this video with your friends, guys, and click the link as fast as you can, guys, because the clock, when clock hits 0, then my first two bonuses will disappear. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.